Hello viewers, today we're in the town of Barrhead in East Renfrewshire, and we're just going to take a wee walk down the main street. Might be a wee trip down memory lane for those that have stayed in Barrhead before. Give me a comment if you're from Barrhead, guys. You recommend some places to go. We've got the B McGill's bus there going to Paisley, about 10 minutes down the road. Paisley, much bigger town, that's in Renfrewshire. If we head down that way, we would take a wee right, that would take us down towards Paisley, but we're going to walk down the main street. It's going to show you some of the shops, bars and restaurants that are open at the moment. Turkish barbers, you see them everywhere now, they're quite good. If you're new to the channel, guys, welcome. Really appreciate you watching the video. I do a lot of walks around Scotland, a lot of different towns and cities, Glasgow, Edinburgh, up north as well. It's absolutely free. You can subscribe. Click the link below the button in the video. It says subscribe. Hit the wee bell next to it for notifications. We've got Bank Street here, Bank of Scotland, police station just down the road. And if you're from Barrhead, maybe not been here for years, you'll recognise up on the left hand side you'd have the old sports centre. Things have changed a wee bit now. They've built a big Asda here. And let me know in the comments, where's your favourite place in Barrhead? We've got the bells going off. Barrhead's about a 10-minute train ride into Glasgow city centre. Main train station is a good 10-15 minute walk at least from here. But it's pretty easy to get to most places from Barrhead. Got a good bus service as well. Goes into Paisley, will take you to Silverburn Shopping Centre and Barrhead Shopping Centre. So it's pretty easy to get about. I'll take a wee walk across the road here, guys, and I'll show you the Foundry building that has been built. If you've not been in Barrhead for years, you've probably not seen this. We've also got a big Asda as well. They're just scanning down Main Street. Some of the older shops are on the right hand side. Just a small place. Barrhead, there's not that much in it, to be honest with you. A few pubs, bars and restaurants, a few shops. Okay, so there we've got the new Asda. It's quite big inside. Now I think parking is at the back or below, I'm not sure. I've not actually been in this one. I'm not sure why they didn't put parking in this big massive area in front of the supermarket, but probably because it's near the main street. Just be too much traffic coming in and out of here. And across the road you've got your old favourites like Iceland, Domino's takeaway pizza, Flying Dragon Chinese takeaway. Give me a shout, would you recommend that if you're from Barrhead? And on the left hand side we've got the new Foundry building. A lot of guys will recognise this as old Barrhead Sports Centre. So they've got a lot of good facilities in there. They've got a swimming pool, quite a good swimming pool. Maybe you've learned to swim in there in your childhood. Give me a comment below. Do me a favour, guys, if you're enjoying the wee walkabout Barrhead, if you could hit the like button, I'd really appreciate that. It just pushes the video out on YouTube. Let's check out what facilities they've got at the Foundry. I won't go in the building, but I'll just show you what they've got. Okay, so we've got swimming pool, as I said, health suite, squash courts, fitness classes, sport halls, there's a library and there's a business centre. That's in the Foundry building, plenty of car parking there as well. We'll just take a wee walk across. I'll show you some of the old shops in Barrhead Main Street. This is the old shopping centre. So you've got Boots the Chemist, Lloyd's Pharmacy, Coral Bookmakers, if you want to be bet on, a couple of gift shops as well, opticians, Savers, Iceland, parking round the back. I think it's changed that much over the years, this wee bit of Barrhead in the main street. It's never really had high-end shops in it, just really local shops, perfectly fine. As I said, you can jump on a bus to Silverburn or Barrhead shopping centre, where they've got plenty of shops. Just walking back further up the main street. We'll take a wee walk down, we'll just show you a couple of other shops down here. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, it's absolutely free. Let me know your favourite place in Scotland. Can you recommend anywhere that I can travel for you? Take a wee walk. Maybe you're from somewhere else in Scotland, you'd like to see it, you've not been for years. In the current situation, unfortunately, not many people travelling. So, quite happy to pop in a few places. Check out the videos below. We've got lots in Edinburgh, lots in Glasgow, a few in Paisley. If you're from Barrhead, you'll probably know Paisley well as well. Down at the bottom of Main Street in Barrhead, we've got a pub and an Indian restaurant above it. I'll show you that in a wee minute. And down at the roundabout there's also another Indian restaurant that's opened in the last year. I don't know how it will survive, to be honest with you. It's not the best location right on the roundabout, but we'll see what happens. Subway and Greggs are a wee takeaway, quite popular. Barrhead Travel, one of the biggest travel agents in Scotland, independent ones. They're in a lot of places now, not just Barrhead. We've got Renfrewshire Council building across the road. And there's a wee McGill's bus to Paisley. I think it's about £2.50. Take you into the town of Paisley. It's got a lot more shops, bars and restaurants. Farm foods. Some bargain shopping for you. Give me a comment, guys. Have you enjoyed the wee walk down the main street in Barrhead? Wee hair salon there. We've got a health clinic over on the left hand side as well, guys. And we've also got the Citizens Advice Bureau. You can pop in there. A wee bit of help if you get any issues. Some local shops here, the Florist. And Bruns Cafe. And Bickett's Butchers. There's a health centre, as I said, across the road. And here's the pub I was talking about, the Flying Horse, which has been here for years. A wee pint of Tennant's Lager in there. And we have got the Himalayan above it, the Indians. Give me a comment below. Would you recommend the Flying Horse or the Indians? Not open yet because it's just after 10 in the morning. It'll open soon. It just reopened after lockdown. And if we go further down to the roundabout, as I said, there's another wee Indians just opened at the roundabout. I'm not going to go down there today, there's not much to see really. That'll take you down towards Cowan Park, Barrhead High School. If we go left, we can go down towards Darnley and Nits Hill. If we go right, we can go up the Dams Road towards Newton Mearns. Give me a comment if you're from any of these places, guys. So thanks for watching today, I really appreciate it. Hit the like button, and as I said, subscribe for new videos below. It is absolutely free, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I've got lots of videos in Scotland. I think there's something for everybody. If you've got any recommendations, any places you'd like me to go, then feel free to leave it in the comments. I'll try my best and get there, guys. All the best. I'll see you in the next one.